बरतानिया से कई ममालिक के लिए परवाजें मनसूख होने के बाद लंदन के हीथ्रो एयरपोर्ट पर हजारों अफराद कशमकश का शिकार हो गए। मुसाफिरों का कहना था कि जो बेयकीनी की सूरत हाल अब है, इससे पहले कभी देखने में नहीं आई।
It's pretty historic town. Basically, I have been here for last 8 to 7 years as a visitor, and I'm confused at this time. Basically, when I arrived here on 14 December, situation is totally different. It's hard time here.
There's not a lot of people traveling, obviously. It's kind of weird. It's actually a little bit easier to get in and out, but the restrictions on travel is a lot harder. It's tough to see family, and so if you can get by, it's really putting a constraint on a lot of people. But I think overall we're all just waiting on the opening up of all of the countries, you know, in that sense, to see our family and get back together.
स्पेन यूरोप के उन चंद ममालिक में से एक है जिसने अभी तक बरतानिया के लिए परवाजों पर पाबंदी नहीं लगाई। मैड्रिड के एयरपोर्ट पर मौजूद बरतानवी शहरियों का कहना था कि उन्हें खुशी है कि अभी तक स्पेन से बरतानिया के लिए परवाजें चल रही हैं और वो क्रिसमस अपने घर वालों के साथ मना सकेंगे।
We were apprehensive before the flight because we didn't know whether it was going to get cancelled or not. And obviously when you're flying into somewhere where there's a new lockdown restriction, you don't know how you're going to get out of it. It's all really a stressful experience, really. And it comes so quickly, we had no prior notice at all, we just had to go, really.
Well, we're actually thankful that Spain's one of the only countries still open because we can still travel back to England to have our Christmas. So yeah, we're very fortunate.
Yeah, it was more like almost like a ticking time bomb because we didn't know whether it was going to close immediately or when it was going to close. I think we've seen more EU countries announcing that they're going to lower that, put restrictions in place anyway. So we didn't know whether it's going to go now or later. But we are very thankful that we're able to leave.
I just think that it's a shame that we can't go about the UK and see our family and spend Christmas with them. And it's very, you know, everybody feels like they're in a prison and they have to stay within themselves, and they're scared that if they go out anywhere they're going to catch this COVID, and you're not allowed to do anything. You just feel really enclosed. I was concerned because I wasn't sure if I'd be able to go back home. I was going to be stuck here by myself. That's what my concern was, but I'm happy that I'm able to go back home.
Like really nervous about going back because I know that a lot of flights have been cancelled for some European countries already, and I don't know what's going to happen with this flight, so I just hope that we make it back, to be honest, because I have a connecting flight from London as well and I don't know what's going to happen.